Technology reaches new heights every day, and imagine how impressive it is now in the construction world. If you're intrigued, stick around to see these fascinating pieces of equipment. Construction technology is something you must see. The modules are constructed from a timber frame and occasionally a steel frame if required, which provides a strong and stable base, and is coated with 2 different layers of insulation for exceptional thermal performance, far exceeding current building regulations. The result is a leading high-end product on the market. The construction process can be completed in as little as 2 weeks and rivals any traditional construction in terms of quality. Through a systematic approach based on volumetric construction and controlled factory conditions, they create a wide range of custom products using the most efficient and advanced materials available. All exterior landscaping is completed prior to installation, so once the module is craned in and connected, the project is complete. This provides buyers with a hassle-free, stress-free experience in a much shorter time than traditional construction. And this is just the beginning of an exciting journey, as the next breakthrough will defy all expectations and leave you breathless. The blown-in blanket system represents an advanced and highly effective solution for building insulation. By incorporating blown-in fiberglass in key areas such as walls, floors, attics, and vaulted ceilings, this patented system ensures optimal performance in terms of energy efficiency and indoor comfort. In new construction projects, the fiber is blown behind a special fabric mesh, creating a uniform and continuous layer of insulation. This not only increases the thermal efficiency of the building, but also eliminates voids and air gaps around pipes and cables, which are often vulnerable points for heat loss and unwanted air infiltration. The benefits of the blown-in blanket system go beyond simply reducing air infiltration and improving energy efficiency. It also provides a higher level of indoor comfort by creating an effective barrier against temperature fluctuations and climate changes. In addition, its advanced design and ability to provide higher R values ensures significant energy cost savings over time. If you thought you'd seen it all, you'll be surprised at what's next. We're about to enter a whole new realm of discovery. Interested in the future of building technology and its implications? ZipWall is much more than a set of poles and panels. It's a complete solution for creating temporary barriers in work environments that effectively control dust and contamination in sensitive or occupied areas. With its adjustable spring-loaded poles, the ZipWall system allows for quick and easy sheet installation, saving time and effort during renovation, remodeling, demolition, and maintenance projects. This versatility makes it an indispensable tool for contractors, remodelers, and construction professionals who want to maintain a clean and safe work environment. The reusability of the ZipWall system offers significant savings over time by eliminating the need to use tape or other fasteners that can damage surfaces. In addition, by creating a complete seal around the work area, it prevents the spread of dust and debris, ensuring a healthier and safer environment for everyone involved in the project. And if you thought this was the end of the story, well, the future of technology is about to unfold, and I guarantee you that each new advancement will be more incredible than the last. We're about to experience a game-changing shift in the world of innovation. It's time for the IsoCouplex system, an innovative solution for the construction of thermally insulated floor slabs that offers a series of advantages that go beyond simple insulation. With heights ranging from 11 to 250 centimeters, this system offers exceptional flexibility to adapt to a variety of construction needs. Constructed of high-quality insulating materials, the system's elements act as permanent formwork during concrete pouring, resulting in a strong and durable structural slab. This construction provides excellent resistance to applied loads, ensuring stability and structural integrity over time. In addition to its ability to provide thermal insulation, the IsoCouplex system also provides ventilation, moisture control, and radon gas removal. The chamber created under the slab allows for air circulation and proper ventilation, helping to maintain a healthy indoor environment free of moisture problems. At the same time, this chamber can be used for utilities, increasing the versatility and efficiency of the system. What we've seen so far is just the beginning of what's to come. Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into an ocean of unlimited possibilities. An invention that will literally leave you speechless. EcoConan straw wall panels are the result of a unique combination of straw and wood, with a 98% content of straw and wood in their composition. Thanks to a special straw pressing technology, these panels are designed to offer exceptional insulating properties. In addition, they have an internal clay coating that provides additional benefits in terms of thermal regulation and moisture control within the building. On the exterior, an airtight membrane is integrated to ensure a leak-free building envelope. This membrane acts as a protective barrier against outside elements, protecting the integrity of the structure and improving energy efficiency. Finally, a layer of wood fiberboard is added to provide structural strength and additional protection. This panel system is designed to be completely vapor permeable, which means it allows excess moisture to escape from the interior of the building, preventing condensation and moisture problems. This feature is critical in maintaining a healthy and comfortable indoor environment. But if that was fascinating and a marvel of technology, the next one will amaze you just as much, if not more. Have you ever wondered how building technology is revolutionizing the industry? Here's an answer. The ContraFlex system is designed to meet any operating condition that requires a high-performance solution. This wide range of customizable, removable covers, blankets, or coatings provides exceptional performance in passive fire protection, cryogenic blast protection, thermal insulation, both heat and cold, custom thermal encapsulation, acoustical solutions, leak detection, and winterization solutions. These systems are used in a variety of applications, including thermal insulation and HVAC systems, steam generation, marine applications, power generation, and carbon capture. They're also tailored to meet extremely chirogenic spill protection, CSP, and passive fire protection, PFP requirements. Each of these solutions is manufactured in multiple facilities around the world and is backed by comprehensive service, including local support, site surveys, installation, technical assistance, and maintenance. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. We're about to push the boundaries of what's possible. Amazing construction technologies that you will not believe exist. 7-inch perfection shingles, both single and double, are an ideal choice for a variety of home styles. Their straight-edge design creates a classic and beautiful appearance that perfectly complements the most distinctive homes. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, these shingles are designed to withstand the elements, making them a durable and low-maintenance choice. The strength and durability of these shingles are combined with ease of installation, thanks to features such as hammer assist pads and sure-stop recessed nailing areas. In addition, their patented design and unique manufacturing process ensure exceptional quality and color uniformity throughout the material. Whether used to cover the entire home or to highlight specific areas, these shingles provide lasting beauty and dependable protection from the elements. Their molded cedar finish from real shingles adds a natural and elegant touch to any home, while drainage holes and perimeter seals ensure optimal performance in the most demanding conditions. If this has surprised you, I warn you that what comes next will defy all expectations. We're on the verge of something so incredible that you won't believe it. The future of the industry, quick assembled prefabricated container homes, also known as rapid assembly container homes, are quickly assembled by bolting columns and top and bottom beams together, ensuring solid strength and moisture protection. Over the past decade, these rapid assembly container houses have been widely used in various construction sites and environments due to their convenient transportation and installation, attractive aesthetics, ability to erect buildings up to 3 stories high, and excellent resistance to seismic movements. This rapid assembly container house project can be adapted for use as offices and warehouses, including additional pitched roofs to enhance visual appeal and climate adaptability. As a sustainable construction alternative, fast assembly prefabricated containers provide flexible and energy-efficient workspace options. In addition, they can provide pre-configured office furniture and rest area furnishings, as well as custom furnishings to meet client requirements. On-site construction costs are minimal, and unlike traditional buildings, mobile container construction can be relocated and transported at any time. What we've seen so far is just the beginning of what's to come. Get ready to witness a revolution that'll exceed the limits of our imagination. Juno demountable walls represent a step forward in flexibility, versatility, and sustainability in interior design. With an innovative design and an easy-to-use click system, these walls offer the ability to adapt and reconfigure spaces quickly and efficiently, but their value goes beyond mere practicality. By providing a modular solution, Juno embraces the philosophy of reuse and waste reduction. This means that walls can be dismantled and reused in different configurations, helping to minimize environmental impact and make the most of available resources. In addition to their functionality and sustainability, Juno demountable walls offer a wide range of design options. With over 100 available finishes and a variety of color combinations, you can customize your spaces to perfectly match your creative vision. Whether you prefer a classic and elegant style or a more modern and daring approach, there are options to suit all tastes and needs. All for those who want to take customization to the next level, Juno offers custom solutions that allow you to create unique and distinctive designs. From specific patterns to custom color combinations, you have the freedom to create a truly unique and personalized environment.